Most people don't have a money problem, they have an awareness, intention, and consistency problem. Fix these 3 pillars, and your entire financial life changes. Remember to like and subscribe for more Money Smart Basics videos. If you have any suggestions for financial literacy topics, please leave a comment. What's up, everybody? It's Alfonso, and today we're cutting through the noise to talk about the only money skill you'll ever need. Forget get-rich-quick schemes and complicated jargon. Real financial mastery is about control, freedom, and making your money work for you. The secret? Money. Mindfulness. It's not meditation, but it is about being present and deliberate with your financial choices. Stop autopilot spending. Start making conscious decisions that align with your goals. This philosophy boils down to 3 pillars: awareness, intention, and consistency. Master these, and you'll transform your financial life. Let's break them down, step by step. Pillar 1 is awareness, facing your finances head-on, even when it feels uncomfortable or overwhelming. This is the foundation of all financial change. Most people avoid this step, letting bills pile up or ignoring their bank balances, but you can't fix what you don't see. Avoidance only makes things worse over time. Awareness means tracking every single dollar, what comes in, what goes out, and where it all ends up. It's about being honest with yourself, not just guessing or hoping for the best. Start by pulling up your last 3 months of bank and credit card statements. Don't skip anything, even the small purchases. Categorize every expense: housing, food, subscriptions, entertainment, transportation, and everything else. This step is crucial for seeing the full picture. You'll probably be shocked by forgotten charges, sneaky subscriptions, and how small habits like daily coffees or streaming services add up over time. Remember, this isn't about guilt or shame. It's about gathering data. You're simply collecting facts, not judging yourself. Once you see exactly where your money goes, you can spot leaks, cut unnecessary spending, and find opportunities to save or invest more. Make this a regular habit. Check your accounts weekly, review your spending monthly, and set reminders so you never fall behind. Awareness removes fear and replaces it with clarity and control. You'll feel more confident and less anxious about your money. Like a pilot checking instruments before takeoff, you need to know your financial position to steer your life in the right direction and avoid costly mistakes. Your first step is simple but powerful. Track your money for 3 months. No judgment, just facts. This will reveal patterns you never noticed before. This single act puts you ahead of most people, because most never take the time to truly understand their finances. Ready to take control? Let's move to the next pillar and build on this new awareness. Now that you know where your money goes, it's time to take the next step, setting your intentions with purpose and clarity. Intention means giving every dollar a job. Decide what you want your money to do for you. Set clear, specific goals. Pay off debt, save for a house, build an emergency fund, or invest for retirement. The more detailed your goals, the more motivated you'll feel to reach them. Break big goals into smaller monthly targets. Suddenly, what once felt overwhelming becomes manageable and achievable. Use a zero-based budget. Assign every dollar a purpose before the month even begins, so you're always prepared. Allocate for your needs, your goals, and even for fun, intentionally. This isn't about deprivation or restriction. It's about prioritizing what matters most to you. Make conscious trade-offs. Maybe less takeout, more investing, or swapping a luxury for a future reward. Intention is your financial roadmap, guiding every decision you make with purpose. It's like a rudder steering you toward your dreams, keeping you on course even when things get tough. Without intention, your money drifts aimlessly, and your goals remain out of reach. With it, you're in control, empowered to make choices that align with your values. Let's talk about how to make these intentions stick, so your financial journey stays on track. The final pillar is consistency, the engine that makes everything work. It's not flashy or exciting, but it's the quiet force behind every lasting achievement. Like a well-oiled machine, consistency keeps your progress moving forward, even when motivation fades. Wealth isn't built in a month. It's built by repeating good habits over time. Just as a tree grows from a tiny seed with daily sunlight and water, your financial future is shaped by small, steady actions that add up. Automate savings and investments so you don't have to think about it. Set up systems that work in the background, making sure you're always moving forward, even on your busiest days. Schedule regular check-ins, 15 minutes a week to review and adjust. These quick sessions help you catch mistakes early, celebrate small wins, and stay aligned with your goals. Life will throw curveballs. Consistency isn't about perfection, but about getting back on track when you slip. Everyone stumbles, but what matters is how quickly you recover and keep going. Progress, not perfection, is the goal. Each small step forward counts, even if it doesn't feel significant in the moment. Over time, these habits become second nature. They blend into your daily life, requiring less effort and thought as you build momentum. You'll instinctively know if a purchase fits your plan. Your decisions become more intentional, and you'll feel more in control of your money. Consistency turns intentions into reality. Slowly, quietly, relentlessly. Like a snowball gathering size, your efforts compound over time, creating real change. No one will cheer you on, but your future self will thank you. The rewards may not be immediate, but they are lasting and deeply satisfying. One day, you'll look back and see how far you've come. The small, consistent actions you took will have transformed your life in ways you never imagined. That's the power of sticking with it. Consistency may not be glamorous, but it's the secret ingredient to lasting success. Now let's wrap up. Awareness, intention, consistency, these are the pillars of financial freedom. Start today. Review your bank account, set one clear goal, and schedule your first check-in. Small steps build momentum. Don't wait for the perfect time, just begin. If this helped, hit like, subscribe, and share your biggest money challenge in the comments. Let's build a community of people taking control of their future. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.
The information provided in this content is for educational and informational purposes only, and should not be considered financial, legal, or tax advice. Always consult with a qualified financial advisor, tax professional, or legal counsel before making any financial decisions. The creator of this content is not responsible for any actions taken based on the information provided. Investments and financial decisions carry risk, and past performance does not guarantee future results.